In this video, we will explore the 5 best wind turbine generators for 2025 that promise to revolutionize renewable energy with higher efficiency, smarter technology, and greater durability. Whether you're a homeowner, business, or renewable energy enthusiast, these top picks are set to power the future sustainably. So, let's get started. Number 5. Bymaocar. The Bymaocar 600-watt wind turbine generator, a unique lantern-shaped renewable energy solution that is as functional as it is visually appealing. Built with 5 durable blades, crafted from high-quality nylon fiber, this turbine is designed for longevity and resilience across a variety of environments. Its innovative shape maximizes the wind-catching surface, allowing it to start generating power at wind speeds as low as 6.56 feet per second, perfect for low wind areas. The generator's powerful 600-watt output, combined with a permanent magnet generator and custom-designed stator, ensures smooth, low-resistance energy production while minimizing wear and tear. This makes it ideal for long-term, efficient operation. Thanks to a survival wind speed rating of 147.64 feet per second, the Bymaocar wind turbine stands strong in extreme conditions, whether on a rooftop, a boat, or powering a remote location. What sets this model apart is its IP67 waterproof-rated controller, built to perform reliably in rain, snow, and harsh climates. Plus, with a simple installation process, an included English manual, and a sleek, easy-to-clean surface, maintenance is a breeze. From residential homes to marine environments and solar-powered street lighting, this wind turbine offers a versatile and eco-friendly alternative to traditional energy sources. It produces no emissions, requires no fuel, and significantly lowers your environmental footprint. Whether you are passionate about green energy or seeking an elegant and practical gift, the Bymaocar wind turbine delivers high performance, attractive design, and peace of mind, all in one remarkable package. Number 4. Smaraad M3. The Smaraad M3 wind turbine generator is a powerful and versatile solution for anyone looking to harness renewable energy at home, off-grid, or in commercial settings. With a maximum output of 5,000 watts, this horizontal axis wind turbine delivers strong, continuous power even in demanding conditions. Built with high-quality iron and stainless steel components, it is designed for long-term durability and performance. What sets the Smaraad M3 apart is its flexible voltage configuration, supporting 24 volts, 48 volts, and 96 volts. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of energy systems, whether you are powering a small cabin or a larger property. The generator features free energy magnetic dynamo technology, which enhances operational efficiency and ensures smoother, more reliable power generation. It also includes grid tie capability, making it an excellent companion to solar systems for a hybrid renewable setup. An optional off-grid inverter customizable up to 8,000 watts provides even more adaptability. The system supports a wind power output of 2,000 watts and a solar integration of 400 watts, expandable up to 1,000 watts for higher efficiency. Its 220-volt inverter output is compatible with standard home appliances, delivering usable electricity with ease. Though the setup may be complex due to its size and configuration, the Smaraad M3 includes a 1-year warranty with extended service options available. For those looking to cut energy costs or increase energy independence, the Smaraad M3 offers a reliable high output and customizable solution backed by solid engineering. Number 3. WindKing X Max. The WindKing X Max wind turbine generator is a powerful renewable energy system designed to provide clean and consistent power for your home. With a maximum power output of 5,000 watts, it is built for serious energy generation, helping to reduce your reliance on traditional utility grids. This turbine features a robust iron shaft and a die-cast aluminum cabin coated with a weather-resistant finish, ensuring durability even in harsh weather conditions. Its three-phase alternating current permanent magnet generator produces steady electricity, while the three-blade turbine design maximizes efficiency even when wind speeds are low. One of the key benefits of the WindKing X Max is its voltage flexibility. It supports 12 volts, 24 volts, and 48-volt systems, making it adaptable for a variety of household energy needs, from small cottages to larger homes seeking to supplement grid power. The included maximum power point tracking hybrid charger controller optimizes energy conversion in real time, maximizing power output from every gust of wind. The turbine has a startup wind speed of just 3 meters per second, allowing it to begin generating energy quickly, and it can survive extreme winds up to 50 meters per second. With an IP67 waterproof rating, this turbine operates reliably in all weather conditions. Installation is made easier with the provided mounting base, and it is certified by CROs and UL for safety and quality. It performs well in temperatures ranging from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for diverse environments. Overall, the WindKing X Max is a durable, high-output turbine with versatile voltage support, ideal for dependable renewable energy, although its weight and setup complexity are factors to consider. Number 2. Ekpaowe SX5-5000. The Ekpaowe SX5-5000 wind turbine generator offers an efficient and eco-friendly energy solution suitable for households and off-grid applications. Featuring a vertical axis design with a coreless magnetic generator system, it delivers smooth performance and high energy conversion efficiency, generating up to 5,000 watts of power. Its unique structure includes 10 or 12 curved blades, engineered to maximize wind capture. This design enables efficient operation across wind speeds ranging from 2.5 meters per second to 25 meters per second, ensuring reliable power generation in both light and strong winds. The SX5-5000 is built for durability, boasting a lifespan of 20 years and backed by a 1-year warranty. It supports 24 volts and 48 volts configurations, making it adaptable for hybrid systems and off-grid setups, including homes, boats, street lighting, and public plazas. The system includes a maximum power point tracking boost charge controller that optimizes energy conversion and provides multiple safety protections. These include overload, overvoltage, and incorrect connection safeguards, as well as solar reverse charging protection, battery open circuit protection, anti-reverse connection protection, and automatic shutdown in cases of overcurrent or overvoltage. This turbine is lightweight, easy to install, and operates quietly, making it ideal for residential areas. It functions effectively within a temperature range from -25 to 80 degrees Celsius, suitable for a variety of climates. Overall, the Ekpaowe SX5-5000 delivers high efficiency, safety, and versatility with a long lifespan and low noise output. The main consideration is the complexity of installation. Number 1. Smaraad Xprol. The Smaraad Xprol wind turbine generator is a high-efficiency, eco-friendly energy solution designed for both residential and commercial use. It offers a maximum power output of 5,000 watts, making it a reliable source of renewable energy for on-grid or hybrid systems. This turbine comes in 48 volts and 96 volts configurations and features an advanced permanent magnet coreless generator combined with a maximum power point tracking controller. This setup optimizes energy conversion even in less than ideal wind conditions. With a low startup wind speed of 1.2 meters per second and an operating wind speed beginning at 3.5 meters per second, the Smaraad Xprol generates energy early and consistently. Durability is a key feature, with 3 fiberglass blades and a 2-meter wind wheel diameter designed for efficient wind capture. It can withstand harsh environments with a survival wind speed of up to 55 meters per second. The generator is IP68, rated for excellent waterproof protection. Safety is ensured by an electromagnetic control system that protects against overspeed and overload through a built-in electromagnetic brake or bleeder. The stainless steel shaft adds strength and longevity to the turbine. This turbine operates in temperatures ranging from -25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius and is available in white, blue, and purple color options, adding a modern look to installations. Recommended mounting height is between 3 and 8 meters for optimal performance. Backed by a 1-year warranty and optional extended service plan, the Smaraad Xprol is a dependable, sustainable choice for reducing energy bills. Its pros include high efficiency, low startup speed, and durable design. The main consideration is the specific installation height required. There you have it, the 5 best wind turbine generators for 2025 that blend innovation, efficiency, and reliability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest renewable energy tech. Thanks for watching.